Hello everyone, my name is Gajan Modak. Today's date is the 27th September 2022. Today's video topic is the difference between the array list and the linked list in Java. So array list and the linked list both implements the list interface and maintain the insertion order. Both are non-synchronized classes. However, there are the many differences between them. Between the array list and the linked list classes that are given below. The first difference between the array list and the linked list in the array list internally uses a dynamic array to store the elements, while the linked list internally uses a doubly linked list to store the elements. The second difference is the array list manipulation with array list is slow because it internally use an array. If any elements in the reversed from the array, all the other elements are shifted in the memory, and the manipulation with the linked list is faster than the array list because it uses a doubly linked list. So no bit shifting is required in memory. The third difference between them is an array list class can be act as a list only. Use the it implements list only and the linked list class can act as a list add queue both because it implements the list and the dequeue interfaces. The fourth one difference between them is the array list is better for the storing and the accessing data, while the linked list is better for the manipulating data. The next difference is the memory location for the elements. The memory location for the elements of an array list is contiguous, while the location for the elements of the linked list is not contiguous. Generally, the next difference is generally when an array list is initialized, default capacity of the array default capacity of is assigned to the array list, that is the 10 is assigned to the array list, while there is no any case of the default capacity in the linked list. In linked list an empty list is created when the linked list is initialized. And the last difference between linked list and the array list is the array list to be precise to array list is resizable as array, and the linked list implement the doubly linked list of the list interface. And this is the difference between the array list and the linked list in Java. Thank you.